Hello, and welcome to day 17 of our 30-day Learn to Sew challenge. Today we're going to start another project. We are going to make a laptop or tablet sleeve using our Leanne pattern. So this project will help continue to build upon the skills that you've been learning throughout this series. The Leanne laptop and tablet sleeve has been designed by Leanne McGivern, who works in information technology during the day and is a textile artist and photographer the rest of the time. This pattern's simple construction and minimalist design makes it a great beginner-friendly pattern. The magnetic snap flap closure will keep your laptop secure, but can also be used as a mouse pad when the sleeve is open. There are 3 sizes included in the pattern, so make sure to follow the cutting instructions and dimensions listed throughout the sewing instructions for the size you'd like to make. If you haven't already, please make sure to purchase the pattern before beginning this tutorial. You can find it on our website, or you can even request it at your local quilt shop. For today's tutorial, we are simply going to go over the cutting instructions and the supplies that you'll need. For this project, you'll want to use a fabric that doesn't fray, such as cork fabric or faux leather. You'll need to choose a color for your main fabric and also your contrast fabric. Then you'll also need 2 sets of magnetic snaps, and you can choose between invisible magnetic snaps, which are sew-in, or prong magnetic snaps. Your main fabric will be used for the front panel, inside panel, and magnetic snap cover. Your contrast fabric will be used for the back panel. If you'd like, the contrast fabric could be the same as your main fabric if you want it all to match. Otherwise, you can have some contrast. So the contrast fabric will be the flap that folds to the front. So it's up to you if you want it to all be the same or if you like the two-tone look. For the magnetic snaps, like I mentioned, you have the choice of invisible magnetic snaps. So we offer 3/4 inch round sew-in snaps. If you're making one of the laptop sizes, this is really nice because when you open up the sleeve and have it flat, you can actually place your laptop on top of the sleeve and use the flap as a mouse pad. So having the sew-in snaps will keep that flap nice and smooth and prevent your mouse from getting caught on the other style of snaps. However, we've also included instructions for prong magnetic snaps. So these are a lot more common. You might be more familiar with how to install these, and they're a bit more affordable than the invisible snaps. So completely up to you. Inside a package of snaps, you'll receive a set of washers, and then there's a female half and male half. This is a set of 2 that we offer in size 3/4 inch that are recommended for this pattern, and we have 5 different hardware finishes available, so you can have it look super professional and coordinate with your fabrics. For this tutorial, I'm going to be demoing the tablet size and using the invisible snaps. The instructions will be very similar for all 3 sizes included in the pattern. Again, just make sure that you're following the cutting instructions and dimensions listed throughout the pattern and sewing instructions for the size you'd like to make. So I'm going to give you a bit of homework. Don't worry, it's simple. All you need to do is cut out the pieces for the size of the Leanne pattern that you would like to make. So I want to give you some time to make sure that you can prepare your fabrics and have everything cut out, because tomorrow we are going to start with the sewing instructions and into the first section of the pattern instructions. So go ahead, get all your pieces cut out, and I look forward to sewing with you tomorrow.